What up, YouTube? Back with another video. You know, I always got to come out here and check out my interior, man. I love the interior. Oh man, just picked that 4L80 tranny up, so should be headed out to Baton Rouge soon, man. Well, yeah, and this engine and transmission's LT1. I think got like 123,000 miles on it. Still run pretty solid. It's just underpowered. So yeah, this will be for sale. I don't know, what I'm gonna sell it for. I guess, you know what I mean? It's outdated. I guess only guys that want to keep their cars original want it. So yeah, I'll be taking offers on it with it. But the engine gonna be located in Baton Rouge because getting their customers is doing the motor swap for me and the paint. So what I'm gonna do here is just tighten up my suspension and my brakes, like I said, and get that car on the road. But yeah, I'm about to get back to this, man. I have to go ahead and tighten this car up because I've been sitting on it too long. Man, I would have been finished with it if I wouldn't have bought that Impala, but I couldn't pass that deal up. But yeah, man, we about to get to it with the Grand National, man. I'm about to mess with some of this upholstery stuff. Mess with some of this upholstery stuff, man, and see, do as much of it as I can on my own. And just, if everything works out right, all I have to do is get my seats covered. Because I'm going to try and cover those myself. Nothing hurt, nothing beats failure but a try, as they say. So, we're going to be getting to that. We're going to get this interior tightened up, and get these pipes fit and get this motor buttoned up, because I got to get that transmission built as well. But I'm gonna do all that and be off. So both these cars going to Baton Rouge. They might go at the same time, but they're both going to Baton Rouge to training work on this one, and paint and frame notch on the Grand National, and paint and motor swap on this one. I think I'm gonna do the rear end and the brakes here. Pretty sure I'm gonna do it here. It just depends, man, because those parts, couple grand, parts I got for this, which I don't really need parts, but I'm gonna get that computer and the flex fuel sensor and put the 80-pound fuel injectors in there so I can run flex fuel E85 in this one. And yeah, man, trying to get to the end of the line with these cars, man. I'm gonna get back with you guys in a minute. Yeah, so I had to abort this mission. Cut my finger trying to get these little bolts off, so now I'm cool on that. You know what I'm saying? I know when I need to pay somebody to do something, but it don't look like it's that hard. These come off, they twist off somehow to get these off, and then you have to come under here and these little things up under here to get the window sweep off. But this joint is sharp, man. That joint is sharp. So anyway, leave that alone. But I am gonna cover these, and I get my people to cover those and do that portion of the door panels. So I'm gonna get back to them other joints, man, and I'll finish this up in a minute. Alright, here's my insert. I haven't cut it to size yet. I'm gonna trim it down in a minute, but this goes in here. This slides right down in there. Simple little fix. So what I'm doing is I'm redoing the panel, and I have the 84 Grand National, so my insides are sand gray. And you can get this color from G Body Parts. They got the other colors too for Grand Nationals, but yeah, you know, I got the 84 with the leather seats, so those seats gonna get done same color, just updated material. I'm gonna go suede and whatever that new kind of fake leather they got, for them. And this is the other one. So when they sit forever, this is what they end up looking like. So sand this down, clean that one up, and get that one ready to put back in. And for some reason, when I open my door, the light don't come on. So I have to find out what's going on with this battery, because the battery's supposed to be connected, but none of the lights are on. So maybe this battery is dead. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with this. It should have been. I haven't really used this battery, so I'm not getting my red charge. Right, let's see. See, that's nice. All this unplugged. I'll plug it back up. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. Yeah, it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna have to do some investigating, because that battery is dead and it shouldn't be dead. But I was trying to show you guys. I hadn't bought that daggone light yet. But these right here, that's the top of it. And once I get my seat belts next week, then I'll put the rest of the panels in. But yeah, I definitely got to order this flash. I'm going to eBay tonight to order this light, this GoPro. But yeah, I'm about to get back to this right now. So check this out. I pulled these out. These are the lower door panels for the G body. I guess I'm assuming they go in the Monte Carlos, Cutlass, everything, because you know all these G bodies basically the same thing. But anyway, I bought these because I was gonna go with a 2-speaker setup in the doors. The thing is, in order for these to work, you have to excuse me, you have to do the modifications. You know, you have to cut out the area for the windows and door locks mechanisms. And I guess you have these bolts, you know, these holes here, so you could drill holes to pretty much, you know, mount this in securely. Me personally, I don't really like that. So I'm just gonna stick with my original lowers. I got my original lowers over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get those all, you know, tightened up, you know, because if you look at the back, you know, you got all your push things. You got that piece there for the top part. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a lot on here that you don't have on there that I'm not going to use with this piece. So, and I ordered it from G Body, because G Body had taken back if I hadn't had it painted. But being that I had it painted, which I need to paint it again, because when they shipped it, all this stuff kind of rubbed off. So if I was going to keep it, I would have to paint it again. But being that G Body painted it, they won't take the items back once you paint it. So I was stuck with that. I forgot what I paid for. I think it was about $200 for both sides. But yeah, get in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I got a lot of stuff for the cars. You know, you want to buy them. You know what I mean? I might just do a giveaway later for somebody that got G Body that want them. I don't know, because it's not really, you know, that big of a deal for me at this point. I bought them like last year, really. And I've really been slow rolling because I've been dealing with that one. So, but yeah, I'm tuned all the way in on the National, man. You know, so I can get this thing done, because I've been sitting on it too long. I bought that car almost 3 years ago. And I mean, it's close to finished, but I need to go ahead and get that joint painted so I can enjoy it. This summer, I'm enjoying. I say that every summer, but this summer, I'm enjoying the car. That one too. But right now, see, I'm just doing I did my arms, my armrest for the back, and I got this one here done. Let it dry out a little bit, and I cut out the edges on here. So though, like I said, now that's not the one for that side. For this side, it'd be this one. So this would slide down into there, into that area there. And then I button those up. The handrest, the armrest there. We go over here, and we'll be good to go on the back paneling. And these panels over here, I was gonna sand them down and try to reuse them, but they're just too far gone. They're just too far gone, as you can see. They're just too far gone. So I'll be ordering them from G-Body this week, along with the downpipe, which I was supposed to order 2 months ago. So I'll be ordering that this week. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna be getting ready. Cause as soon as I get the downpipe, then I can send the car to the machine shop to get the up pipe to the turbo. Get this pipe. Let's see, pull this out for you guys real quick. Yeah, I gotta get this pipe. This is the up pipe to the turbo. I gotta get that reconfigured. So that cover has to come off. The heat cover has to come off of that. And I'll be putting the under pipe that goes from one side of the header to the other side. I'll be putting that on as well. So as soon as that down pipe gets in, I can go ahead and tighten this up, and then the car will run. I mean, the car runs fine. You know, I just wanted to put the new headers on it because they're bigger. And if you watch some of my old videos, you'll see where the aftermarket headers they're bigger, so it flows better. You know what I mean? So that's what we're doing. But I'm gonna tighten this up. Get back with you in a minute. I check this out. I'm getting over a call. Yeah, this is the driver's side of their rear panel. So I got the arm done. It's not that bad. Of course, got the suede insert. Yeah, man, we rocking and rolling, man. So I primed this one up a little bit on this side. I had to sand it down a little bit because it was looking like, the old set of I think the door frame pillars, the gold cover the door frame pillars. So it was looking like that. So I had to sand that down. I put some primer on it. But man, I'm liking how that came out, man. Man, my homies, I need to open up the shop. But a lot of this stuff I can do myself. Once I learn how to paint the car and do the real upholstery part of it. Now, I cleaned these up. Be honest with you, they really don't gotta be painted. But I'm gonna paint them anyway, just to freshen them up, because it's gonna be a little bit different. I think it's gonna be a little bit off from that. Just a little bit, not much, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint them up anyway. I just got to figure out how to cover up the bottom portion, because it's cleaned up pretty well. So I just need to figure out how to cover it up, because I can't get the tape to stick. So once I get that taken care of, we're gonna paint them up. We're not gonna do that today. Maybe next weekend, and go ahead and get those panels put back in. So therefore, all I have to really do is have my guy do, excuse me, do the top portion of the door panels and the seats. That'd be it. So that should save me. That should save me at least $1,000. But we gonna see. But yeah, man, I'm liking how this is coming out. get back with you in a minute, man. I'm about to be the interior specialist, bro. I'm telling you. I just love looking at this joint right here. You know what I mean? Smell fresh, all that. The thing about it is when you do it yourself, it hit different. You know what I mean? The joint hit different when you do it yourself. Yeah, it hit different when you do it yourself. You feel me? Got the red LEDs in the dash. But my homie get in there. He told me we're gonna do the digital the Coda Dash in here. You know, so I'll be selling that too with the red LEDs in it for the guys that want that got that theme going on, because you know I got the LEDs there with my Rogers Customs. You know, I got it down in there. You know what I mean? So we got it under control, man. So we're gonna knock this out and get these cars on the road, man. And there we go, finished product for those rear panels. My suede inserts done. Armrest. Paint. Yeah, that's what we doing, man. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna end this for now, because I'll get these done. It's raining out here, man. It got dark. So yeah, I get these cleaned up and done, and get those other parts ordered. Matter of fact, I'm gonna order those parts tonight, so they'll be here, and then I can go ahead and start on the these joints right here. What are these? So 12-on-1, baby. You see it. But yeah, man, I'm in this video, man. You know, like, share, subscribe, comment, man. You know, support the channel. I appreciate you guys, you know, rocking with me throughout this journey with these cars. You know, we're gonna get to it. You know what I mean? We're gonna get to it, man. I appreciate you guys. I'm out.